Because my bra is showing.
No,
My bra.
so, am I the one seeing it?
You wanted to show?
Am I the one seeing it?
But yesterday, when you had the opportunity to... Okay, what's up?
Always talking about yesterday.
You have to do something to salvage what happened yesterday. And you've not done anything yet to make me forget about what happened yesterday. So
I'll shock you. Like I said, I'll put yourself to position.
today again, you ran away. You told me you wanted to ease yourself. Hold up. You told me you wanted to... Hold up. Let me finish what I gotta say. You told me you wanted to ease yourself, right? And I was like, okay, fine, you can go. Ease yourself. Why not? And then you sat down. You could have just said, oh, I'm hungry, and I want to go and eat. You told me I wanted to ease myself.
Well, I want to ease myself. I just like, let me quickly have...
You're like, oh, let me ease.
Girion, frogs,
Before you die. So I drained your energy.
What did you do that you dreamed my energy?
That's what I'm saying. You said before you die.
No, like I'm hungry now, so I just quickly so I should eat something. And before I could finish and come, you're already in the lounge. So like, there's no need to.
Yeah, because I needed to come out for the drama. The point is you...
But you know, run, please.
All right, I hear you, Pharmsavi. Whatever makes you happy. No, it was asking me. He said that, who is my ideal man? So I was like...
I am one.
Who be this? So I was telling him that, good for you. I wanted to say sorry, but... So I was telling him that I already had the conversation, so I was like asking him if he was there when I was having the conversation. That's why I said that.
I thought I was I am.
No, you're nothing close to my ideal man.
What's the difference?
You're off.
I laugh.
I laugh too.
I laugh in French.
And I laugh in Swahili.
But you know the truth.
I
Deep
do.
down.
That
You
works.
This make me laugh.
That's what tends to shy away from the truth. You know the truth. You know I know.
Don't touch me. What's this? You are
You know I
not
know.
my ideal man.
Why you say so?
Kes.
Why?
Because you're
Because
off.
I'm married.
I just told
I'm
you.
off the market.
Even if you were not married, you're still not my ideal man.
Why?
We're two blunt people. We're two rude people. We cannot work
Am I
together.
rude? Do you
You're
think I'm
very rude.
Don't talk to other people.
That's why
I don't
you
know
grow
if I
your
talk to you.
nails.
I don't know. There's no reason. There's no reason. Just
Do you grow this other one?
no. Just these two. Like
Are
it.
you a phone technician?
Not really.
Not really.
They're not even strong. They're very soft. Touch is only like bend like this. It's very soft. I just don't know why. Just keep it.
It's weird. I don't like guys that grow their nails.
You don't like me before, right? Or you're changing your mind.
I never even liked you, sir.
I know you love me.
Anyway.
I can see it in your eyes.
Oh, wow. What else do you see?
Behind this whole charade, I see
love.
your soul. Like, yeah.
You see my soul. Do you see how dark it is?
Not that. You're just acting like you ain't shit.
You ain't shit.
You ain't shit.
You ain't shit. You ain't shit.
I see through you.
Kess. Kes.
You just a well known.
You ain't shit.
That's what he said to you.
I beg. Mouth. Anyway.